Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta dough without eggs easy guide. Combine 2 cups flour and 1 teaspoon salt on a clean surface, make a well, and slowly add 1/2 cup water plus 2 tablespoons olive oil. Use a fork to incorporate flour, then knead by hand about 8 to 10 minutes until smooth. Rest the dough covered for 30 minutes before rolling and cutting into shapes. Start by pressing the dough with the heel of your hand and folding it over repeatedly, keeping a steady rhythm. The dough should change texture and become elastic within about 8 to 10 minutes of kneading. After kneading, form a smooth ball, coat lightly with oil, and cover to rest for 30 minutes. This step makes the dough easier to roll and gives more tender pasta when cooked. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing easy recipes. Quick recommendation. Droplets stay hydrated anywhere with the Owala water bottle. It's perfect for long kitchen sessions and keeps water cold when you're kneading. I've linked it and a few deals in the description for convenience. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Divide rested dough into smaller portions to handle easily, keeping extras covered to prevent drying. Use a pasta machine on progressively thinner settings or roll with a pin until you reach your preferred thickness. Lightly dust with flour or semolina between layers, then cut into fettuccine, tagliatelle, or shapes of your choice, and let them dry briefly before boiling in salted water for a few minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.